Christy, welcome to Stivers Ford Lincoln. I'm Erik Trabert. Nice to formally meet you. Christy, from time to time, I'm sure you'll be hauling important clients or customers or colleagues in your MKX. This particular MKX is featuring a climate package that gives you heated rear outboard seats for your passenger, as well as a heated steering wheel, rain sensing windshield wipers for you, and automatic high beam headlamps. Christy, I'm sure you've approached the rear of your current Acura MDX with groceries in your hand and had a hard time opening the power lift gate here. The 2016 MKX in the Reserve Equipment Group does have a power lift gate with a hands-free capability. With the key fob in proximity to the rear hatch, I can simply make a kicking motion at the bumper and the lift gate will open. I should really tell you about drive control offered by Lincoln Motor Company, paired with continuous controlled dampening. This will allow you to adjust the ride quality and the handling of the vehicle from 3 different settings: normal, comfort, or sport. Sport is going to provide a stiffer suspension and a stiffer steering. Normal is how Lincoln Motor Company feels that the vehicle should actually ride and drive. And comfort's going to give you a softer suspension and a softer steering. The best way to experience Lincoln drive control paired with continuous controlled dampening is to actually drive the MKX. Christy, thank you so much for taking me up on the opportunity to drive the Lincoln MKX. I noticed that when you pulled in, you were listening to Sirius satellite radio show tunes on Broadway. The Lincoln MKX has an amazing sound system. This actually has a Revel audio system featuring 14 speakers. Revel is an ultimate sound system produced by Harman Kardon. It is their highest trim level of sound. For instance, Christy, one Revel tower speaker for your home is about $10,000 to $13,000. Harman Kardon and Lincoln Motor Company paired to create a Revel sound system specifically for the cabin size of the Lincoln MKX. I chose an MKX with a navigation system. This navigation system has voice activation commands that you can utilize going right down the road, so you don't have to pull over and push the touchscreen in any way, shape, or form. I've actually programmed some favorites in here, so I can push the voice button right here and I can say,
please say a command.
Destination favorites.
Please say a line number.
And you'll notice that I've put in some of the NHL Eastern Conference arenas. You mentioned to me that one of your bucket list was to go to every one of these stadiums. You'll see Madison Square Garden Stadium is saved in there. Also the Prudential Center in New York, New Jersey. So we could simply click that line number, or actually say line 5 and then start, and this vehicle will compute the route from your current destination to that location. Christy, Lincoln Motor Company offers you a couple other things as their client. A 24-hour concierge service where you can give your feedback and your opinion or get any kind of help with any concern. I'm also a direct contact for you pertaining to anything you need from Stivers Ford Lincoln or Lincoln Motor Company. You can schedule your service with me. We also have a Stivers app that'll allow you to schedule service at the touch of a button. But I want to be your direct contact for anything that you need pertaining to your transportation assistance. You also mentioned to me that you have a concern of being stranded on the side of the road potentially. I would like to mention that Lincoln Motor Company offers lifetime roadside assistance that's actually through a AAA. So very great company there that the lifetime that you own this automobile, you will have roadside assistance. Christy, again, thank you so very much for the time that you spent with me and allowing me to show you the 2016 Lincoln MKX. I'd like to mention that the Lincoln MKX has a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, and 2 years and 24,000 miles of complimentary maintenance.